Alright, doing a quick video on the Brother HL-2270DW printer. I am selling it as just a parts only. I tried to install it on my old computer, but the software wouldn't load right, so I couldn't get it to work that way. Item powers up here, and I'm going to show you that in a second. You see here, you have a drawer for your paper, little paper clip there. Inside here you have your drum. There is the serial number. This comes out. Pull this thing out here. So you can see you have all your toner, cartridge, drum, whatever. I don't know, it's too dark down to see in there, but slide this back in. We'll fire it up. I could use a little cleaning. Again, I picked this up at an estate sale. Thought I found a nice little thing that I could use, but unfortunately, that's not the case for me. So it may work, I do not know, but I am selling it as parts, and no returns on that. So you do have the lights here that will get everything set up. Just doing a quick scan. I'm gonna turn the power on now. It's over here on the side, and you see how we all light up. And as you see, it is showing ready, no errors or anything. Run through here, and it's ready to go. So I really wish I could have gotten it to work because I could use it, but unfortunately that's not the case. So I have put it up on eBay. People use the trays, the drums, and use it for replacement parts on one of theirs that may not work. So all right, if you have any other questions, just send me an email.